a short presentation from the British Transplantation Society. May I invite Dr. Krish Menon, the Vice President of British Transplantation Society.
Hello, everybody. And firstly, I'd like to thank the Indian Society of Organ Transplantation for allowing me to join your National Congress and say a few words. The British Transplantation Society is having its annual Congress in Belfast between the 2nd and 4th of March 2022. Lisa Burnap is our president of the British Transplantation Society. And for those of you who do not know me, my name is Krishna Menon, and I'm the Vice President of the British Transplantation Society. The British Transplantation Society Annual Congress is going to be a face-to-face meeting, and it also happens to be the 50th anniversary of the BTS. On this occasion, we thought that we would like to invite an international society as a guest for the Congress. We decided to invite the Indian Society of Organ Transplantation and the Liver Transplant Society of India to join us virtually to attend this Congress. We've been in discussions for the past few weeks with both the societies, and today is an occasion for me to extend this as a formal invitation and share with you with what you're likely to see when you join us for the Congress. Like with all our Congresses, we always tend to have a theme for the Congress, and on this occasion it is Back to the Future, which is a film I'm sure you all are aware of. Back to the Future is about the time when one has to stop overthinking about things that they could or not have done in the past, so that what happened would not have happened. In other words, do not dwell on the past. The contents of the Congress is a 3-day meeting between the 2nd and the 4th of March. The first day is going to be a postgraduate course that is dedicated for trainees, and followed by an organ perfusion technology session and a research collaborative session. I'm sure all of these will be exciting and it'll be good for exchange of ideas. The second day would have an MDT plenary with educational symposia, best practice kidney, pancreas, liver, and heart-lung sessions. This will be followed by the BTS 50th anniversary celebrations, where there'll be a film looking at the years of the BTS gone by. Unfortunately, although there will be a gala dinner, we will not be able to ask you to join us, but hopefully some other time in the future. The third day will have a basic science session with keynote lectures on artificial intelligence and the 50th anniversary lecture delivered by John Forsyth, who is the past president of the society and currently director of the NHSBT. This will be a golden opportunity when we invite you for joining us to attend the Congress for two societies to come together for mutual learning. We also hope that this will be a great opportunity for trainees who can submit abstracts for the various prize presentations. The deadline for the submission of the abstracts is 23rd of November 2021, and the abstract reviews will be on the 8th and 9th of December 2021. We do hope that this is going to be a start of a stronger relationship between the two societies. How do you get to know more about the Congress? Well, if you go onto the website of the British Transplantation Society, you can click on the link, which will then take you on to the Provisional Congress draft. It's also important to point out that we will be sending a formal link to the society that will allow you to register and also submit your abstracts for the Congress. We look forward to welcoming you all to the British Transplantation Society 50th anniversary celebrations and the Congress that is going to be held in Belfast between the 2nd and the 4th of March. We look forward to welcoming you all, albeit virtually, to join us between the 2nd of March to the 4th of March 2022. Have a good evening. I'm happy to take any questions.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Krish Menon. This was very useful information, and I hope many members of the society would join on digital platform for exchange of ideas. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. If there are burning questions, I can take them, but I think we will be sending a link to the society very shortly after our next week's meeting, which you know, Vivek, we are doing with Professor Shroff, Professor Guleria, and Professor Jaiprakash, and yourself, and Dr. Sudhindran. Once we've done that and we send you the link, it will allow people to register. But more importantly, I think trainees can start to prepare their abstracts for the meeting, which they can submit before the end of November. So I think we are really looking forward to having you on board next year, and wish you all the best for completion of your National Congress. Thank you for the invitation to speak today.
Yes, yes. We will circulate all the Congress information to our members, so the participation will increase. Any other comment?
No, sorry, no comment. It's a welcome move, and I hope sufficient number of Indian professionals will attend this conference.
Yes.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
Agarwal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Krish.